Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your SONY KD-43X TV. First of all, a quick notice. Of course, the factory reset operation will remove everything from your device. It will remove your personal files. It will reset settings. It will reset preferences. It will remove your account from the TV, and you're gonna have to set it up as a new device. So now that you noticed, let's go to settings, open all settings menu, then open system settings, go to about section right here, then go to reset, then select factory data reset, select erase everything, confirm, and then wait for a while until the factory reset is finished. And once the factory reset is finished, you will see the language selection list on your TV screen. And right now you're gonna have to perform a setup, or if you were resetting for selling your device, then that's it for you. If you need some help with the setup, we have a video on our channel on how to set up the Sony TV. So if you need it, go ahead and watch it. You're highly welcome to do so. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.